Government schemes in India, 2025 to 2013. 1. PM Vidyalakshmi Scheme. Objective to provide collateral-free and guarantor-free education loans to meritorious students. Eligibility: students enrolled in top 100 NIRF-ranked institutions, centrally governed institutions, state institutions ranked 101 to 200. Key features: digital loan disbursal via CBDC and e-vouchers, unified application through PM Vidyalakshmi portal, interest subvention available paperless, instant approval system. Prelims pointers: Ministry of Education, type central sector, mode digital platform. 2. Pradhan Mantri Janjatiya Unnat Gram Abhiyan, PM Juga. Objective: to ensure saturation-based development in 63,000 tribal majority villages. Eligibility: tribal majority habitations, 5 crore tribal citizens to be covered. Key features: 25 interventions covering housing, health, education, and livelihoods coordinated by 17 ministries, focus on Pakka houses, skilling, digital infrastructure, targets saturation of government schemes. Prelims pointers: Ministry Tribal Affairs. Type centrally sponsored, year 2025 implementation. 3. Mudra Yojana Tarun Plus, 2025. Objective: to expand funding support for micro-entrepreneurs who have previously repaid loans. Eligibility: successfully repaid earlier Tarun loans, non-corporate small businesses. Key features: loan limit increased to 20 lakh rupees, credit backed by CGFMU, no collateral required, higher funding for business expansion. Prelims pointers: Ministry Finance category Tarun Plus, new 2025. 4. PMGSY Phase 4, 2024 to 2029. Objective: to provide all-weather road connectivity to rural unconnected habitations. Eligibility: habitations with greater than or equal to 250 people, hill desert tribal, or greater than or equal to 500, plains. Key features: construction target: 62,500 kilometers roads, 25,000 unconnected habitations, includes bridge and culvert upgrades, implementation by states with central support. Prelims pointers: Ministry Rural Development, time frame 2024 to 29. Type: centrally sponsored. 5. Swam Plus platform. Objective: to offer job-ready, industry-aligned online courses in regional languages. Eligibility: open to all learners, especially those in rural or underserved areas. Key features: courses in AI, ML, IoT, finance, etc. Certification by industry leaders, vernacular delivery for inclusion, employability focused. Prelims pointers: Ministry Education, type online platform. 6. Pradhan Mantri Vishwakarma Scheme. Objective: to empower traditional artisans with training, recognition, and tools. Eligibility: aged 18 plus, engaged in one of 18 traditional trades, example carpenter, weaver, cobbler. Only one eligible member per family. Key features: PM Vishwakarma certificate and ID tool grant, 15,000 rupees skill training with stipend, 500 rupees per day, loans up to 2 lakh rupees in 2 tranches. Prelims pointers: Ministry MSME, type central sector. 7. Vaibhav Fellowship. Objective: to connect Indian diaspora scientists with Indian R&D institutes. Eligibility: OCI PIO NRIs with PhD MTech MS, minimum 5 years research experience, institution in top 200 QS ranking. Key features: funding for collaborative research, mentorship of Indian researchers, strengthens international academic ties. Prelims pointers: Ministry Science and Technology. 8. PM Janman. Objective: to uplift particularly vulnerable tribal groups, PVTGs, with integrated development. Eligibility: 75 PVTG groups across 18 states and 1 UT, no job card or ration card barriers. Key features: housing grant, 2.39 lakh rupees, solar power systems, clean water, roads. Geotagging via Awas Plus app, Van Dhan Kendras for forest produce trade. Prelims pointers: Ministry Tribal Affairs type mixed, Central Plus sponsored. 9 Aspirational Block Program, ABP. Objective: to improve development indicators in 500 backward blocks. Key features: monitors 40 indicators across 5 themes: health, education, infrastructure, agri, social, implemented in 329 districts. Real-time data tracking. Prelims pointers: launched 2023 model based on aspirational districts. 10 Palna scheme. Objective: to support working women by offering daycare for children. Eligibility: children 6 months, 6 years, mother must work at least 15 days month. Key features: 17,000 creches at Anganwadi centers. Health Plus learning services, Central Plus state implementation under Mission Shakti. Prelims pointers: Ministry Women and Child Development Sub-scheme of Samarthya. 11 Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission, ABDM. Objective: to establish a national digital health ecosystem. Key features: Aabha ID, Ayushman Bharat Health Account, Health Facility Registry Plus Doctor Registry, Consent-Based Data Exchange, UHI. Voluntary participation. Prelims pointers: Ministry Health type digital infrastructure. 12 National Mission for Edible Oils, Oil Palm, NMOP. Objective: to reduce dependence on imported edible oils. Key features: focus on oil palm expansion in NE and ANN Islands, financial support to farmers and processors. Supply chain development. Prelims pointers: Ministry Agriculture, year 2021. 13 Prithvi Vigyan scheme. Objective: to promote Earth system sciences research. Components: climate, ocean, seismology, polar research. Long-term data, disaster forecasting, outreach and training. Prelims pointers: Ministry Earth Sciences, year 2021 to 2026. 14 PMAJ. Objective: to uplift SC communities through model villages and income support. Key features: model Adarsh Gram, development skill training plus infrastructure, hostels for SC students, unified portal for action plan monitoring. Prelims pointers: Ministry Social Justice, year 2021 to 22. 15 Agriculture Infrastructure Fund, AIF. Objective: to boost post-harvest management and agriculture infrastructure investment through medium to long-term loans. Eligibility: FPOs, PACs, startups, agri-entrepreneurs, SHGs, central state agencies and cooperatives. Key features: interest subvention, 3% on loans up to 2 crore rupees, credit guarantee coverage for loans under 2 crore rupees, tenure 10 years, 2020 to 2030, real-time monitoring via MIS platform. Prelims pointers: Ministry Agriculture type, central sector. 16 PM Kisan, Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi. Objective: to provide direct income support to farmers for crop and livelihood expenses. Eligibility: small and marginal farmers with up to 2 hectares of land, excludes taxpayers and institutional landowners. Key features: 6,000 rupees per year in 3 equal installments, direct transfer to bank accounts, identification by states UTs integrated with Aadhaar and PM Kisan portal. Prelims pointers: Ministry Agriculture type, central sector, year 2019. 17 Poshan Abhiyan, National Nutrition Mission. Objective: to reduce malnutrition and anemia among children, pregnant women, and adolescent girls. Key features: growth monitoring devices at Anganwadi centers focus on diet diversity, millets, and fortified foods. Integrated child development services plus Jan Andolan Poshan Vatikas, Nutri Gardens. Prelims pointers: Ministry Women and Child Development merged into Mission Saksham Anganwadi plus Poshan 2.0. 18. Unnat Bharat Abhiyan 2.0. Objective: to connect academic institutions with rural communities for local development. Eligibility: higher education institutions, HEIs. Key features: each HEI adopts at least 5 villages, promotes technology-based rural solutions, enhances village-level governance and livelihoods. Prelims pointers: Ministry, Education Phase 2.0, Challenge Mode. 19. Aspirational District Program, ADP. Objective: to transform 112 underdeveloped districts using competitive and cooperative federalism. Key features: focus on 5 themes: health, education, agriculture, financial inclusion, infrastructure monitored through 81 key indicators, real-time data on Champions of Change portal. Niti Aayog coordinates implementation. Prelims pointers: launched 2018, coordinated by Niti Aayog. 20. Swayam scheme. Objective: to offer free online courses to bridge the digital education gap. Eligibility: open to school college students, professionals, and lifelong learners. Key features: courses from class 9 to postgraduate level delivered by IITs, IIMs, UGC, AICTE. Includes assignments and online exams. Free access. Certification requires a nominal fee. Prelims pointers: Ministry Education Platform MOOC. 22. Uday Ujjwal Discom Assurance Yojana. Objective: to improve the financial health and efficiency of power distribution companies, DISCOMs. Key features: states take over 75% of Discom debt. Bonds issued to repay liabilities. Mandates AT&C loss reduction and smart metering. Performance-linked results. Prelims pointers: Ministry Power optional participation by states. 23. National Agriculture Market, ENAM. Objective: to create a unified online market for agricultural produce across India. Key features: online trading of agri-commodities, transparent price discovery. Integrates APMC mandis nationwide. Implemented by SFAC, Small Farmers Agribusiness Consortium. Prelims pointers: Ministry Agriculture Type Digital Agriculture Platform. 24. Vidyanjali Yojana. Objective: to involve volunteers in improving co-scholastic areas of government schools. Eligibility: retired teachers, professionals, homemakers, NRIs. Key features: allows voluntary teaching and mentoring. Focus on reading, music, yoga, arts. Recently added Vidyanjali Scholarship for IIT NIT students. Prelims pointers: Ministry Education launched 2016. 25. Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. Objective: to provide collateral-free microloans to small businesses and non-corporate entities. Categories: Shishu, up to 50,000 rupees, Kishore, 50,001 rupees to 5 rupees lakh, Tarun, 5-10 lakh. Key features: loans via banks, MFIs, NBFCs. Mudra card for working capital. Tarun Plus added in 2025. Prelims pointers: Ministry Finance Type Central Sector. 26. One-Stop Center Scheme. Objective: to provide integrated support services to women affected by violence. Key features: legal, medical, counseling, shelter under one roof. Implemented at district level. Funded through Nirbhaya Fund. Part of Mission Shakti's Sambal vertical. Prelims point: Ministry, Women and Child Development. Year: 2015. 27. Digital India Land Records Modernization Program, DILM. Objective: To digitize and modernize land records for transparency and accessibility. Key features: unique land parcel ID, ALPIN. E-registration via NGDRS linked with eCourts and Aadhaar real-time land ownership records prelims pointers. Ministry, Rural Development initially launched 2008, revamped in 2015. 28. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Objective: to ensure universal banking access with zero balance accounts. Key features: basic savings bank deposit (BSBD), accounts overdraft facility up to 10,000 rupees to lakh rupees, accidental insurance linked with Aadhaar and RuPay cards. Prelims pointers: Ministry Finance part of JAM Trinity. 29. Soil Health Card Scheme. Objective: to inform farmers about the nutrient status of their soil and promote balanced fertilization. Key features: card issued every 3 years, measures 12 parameters including NPK, pH, GIS-based mapping, village level soil labs. Prelims pointers: Ministry Agriculture year 2014 to 15. 30. Geo-Parsi Scheme. Objective: to arrest the population decline of the Parsi community in India. 31. National Health Mission, NHM. Objective: to provide accessible, affordable, and quality